Krea AI tutorial, Krea AI how to use. In this video, we're going to be talking about a brand new AI generator out there that gives you the easiest way to generate. So this software is called Krea AI, and I'm going to be teaching you how you are going to go through with it and use its amazing generation powers. So the features that it provides you are high quality image prompts and generations. You can also generate videos, put real-time AI generations in images, and also upscale your images and videos. So to use it, what you're going to do is we're going to go over to generate images, and here you can go ahead and describe a picture for yourself. So you can go ahead and write UFO flying into Earth while Rambo shoots lasers. So as you can see, very random prompt. So let's go ahead and click on generate. Now it will ask you to sign up, so go ahead and quickly do that for yourself. You can continue with your Google or any other email that you would like to use with Krea AI. Totally depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my email. And once you sign in with your email, it should go ahead and start generating the prompts that you give it. So I'm going to write again UFO flying into Earth, shooting lasers, Rambo fighting against the UFO. So we're going to write that in, click on generate, and as you can see, it starts getting in queue. So it will take a few seconds to load the pictures in, and as you can see, there you are. So it's fully generated and it is now finished. So these are the images, and look at how amazing this looks. UFOs flying in, there's our Rambo, and he's looking straight onto the UFOs. Look at how amazing the quality is, how amazing the finishing is, and how amazing the features it's used along it. And moving on, you can also generate different things like add real-time things into your images. So let me show you what you can do over here. Now, first of all, you can go ahead and change your AI strength according to yourself. So whatever you want. Let's say if I decrease this, this is how the image is going to look. But if I increase this slightly, it's going to make it slightly better like that. But if I increase it fully, this is what we are going to be getting. So just like this, you can enhance your very own images as well. So let's say I'm going to add this image. And once this image is added, what you can do is you can place different things around the image, and look at that. That is how it's going to manipulate your images in different ways. And just like this, you can also add your very own pen paint brush like this. And look at that. It's going to add the exact coloring and different schemes into the design you're putting up. So this is basically Krea AI and how you're going to use it. So if you enjoyed watching this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.